lots of people ask me about RVs, campervans for motorbikes. I've got here Pascal, who works for Vanexxt, and they have a system, very curious system for motorbikes. Pascal, would you like to explain it?
Yeah, sure, of course. We are from Vanexxt. We are a small company. We started 1 year ago, and we want to create a system for our customers that we can use in our new Ford. And one part of this system is that we want to have a motorcycle system for a small camper van. And so you can put in the motorcycle and you can sleep on the top. You have a possibility to put a cooking station in it. You can do a fridge next to it, and so you have a secure system where you can put on your motorcycle, but you have the whole life of a normal camper van.
So effectively, you're sleeping in the tent in the roof. You're talking of a Ford Transit Custom.
Yes.
So it is effectively the VW Ford, if you're a Ford VW, if you like camper. So that's really small footprint.
Yeah.
So we have here a plate.
Yes. That's our regular floor in our Ford Custom. It's a Ford Transit V710. It's a new system, and that's our own system from Vanexxt. And you can put on different parts, different boxes and something like that. And as you can see, we have 2 points where we can fix it in the front, and then you have to secure it with this, and it's not pushing, or it's
relatively stable.
Yeah, definitely.
Yes. And right, so how long does it take to put the plate into the vehicle?
So if we put it in, it's about, right now it's a prototype, but if it's finished, it's had a weight of 25 kilos, and so it's easily to put it in with 2 people, and it's about 10 minutes.
10 minutes work to put something in.
Then we have in the end we have a ramp we can put in from here. I can show you if you want. And you put this ramp here at the end. It's like that's on the what is it called? The back of the car,
vehicle, yeah.
And then you can roll it out. And later we will have a system where you can put it with a hydraulic system to push it up, and you can go straight into the car with the motorcycle. So it's easier to put it in, because sometimes they will weigh more, about 200-300 kilos. So it's easier to do it with a hydraulic system. But it's a system we will create in the next few months, and then we can show it to you.
Right, that's very good. And so this vehicle in front of us down there is the Ford. Obviously it's got something in at the back. Should we go and have a look at that?
Yeah, definitely. Come with me. If we go to the back, it's for the motorcycle part, it's very interesting. So we have the same system like outside, and there we can put in the motorcycle system in these 2 middle parts, and then you have the whole space of the car, and at the end of the car you can put in some systems like that. You have enough space to put in our cooking station, or some space to put in things. So
so to get in such a small area and then perhaps use it for other things as well. That is quite impressive.
And because of the tent, you have enough space. There's the bed on there, and you can sleep on the top and and here is the motorcycle. If you're going to a racetrack or something like that, it could be very cool.
Yes. Yeah. Right. No. It's very clever to get in such a small space.
Yeah.
Okay. Well done. All right.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.